about the girl I met on a homebound train. I was free from draining thoughts, no duct tape around my soul. As she slowed towards me with a speed of 120 knots. She was beautiful, now my future seems hopeless. I was born in muddy waters, but blossom when I felt your breeze. I've been rooted by the enjoyments of this world, but in your cyclone I feel no pain. My life was limited, but in your stream I flow through everything. I flow through everything. I'm a dragon and you'll never understand me. Hurricane. I'm a dragon and you'll never understand me. Her rhythm was violent, but I was floating. The train stopped at the outskirts of nowhere, and a pulse died. Future now seems hopeless. My accident now seems meaningless. I am love. I run in circles to become a cyclone, so I can be with you.